Want to keep your Facebook profile safe from strangers? Let's lock your profile in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and head to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Once you're on your profile, tap the three dots next to Edit Profile. Now here's the part you're looking for. Tap on Lock Profile. A pop-up will show up explaining what it does. Only your friends will be able to see your full-size photos, posts, and stories. Perfect for privacy. Tap Lock Your Profile, and boom, you're all set. But wait, don't see the option? Here's what to check. If you're using professional mode, the lock button might not appear. Just go back to those three dots and turn off professional mode first. Then try again. Still not showing? It could be a region issue. Facebook sometimes rolls it out by country. Try updating your app or checking on a different device. Once it's locked, your profile is way more private. No more stalkers, no more unwanted eyes. If this helped, hit like, tap subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more quick Facebook tips. I've got plenty coming your way.